Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can design this logo with your phone using an app called Pixellab. So follow along and make sure you subscribe to my channel. So firstly, open the Pixellab app. You can get this for free on the Google Play Store, and also I'll share the link below. With the text tool, I'll write the letter E. I'm designing this logo for Edward Electric, so I'm going with the initial letter E for Edward. So I'll change the font. This font Nevis is a default font in Pixellab, so you get it when you download the app. So the next step is that I want to cut out some part of this letter E. So with the shape tool, I'll use this rectangle, as you can see, and I will change this color to blue. So match this together, and with the erase color function tool, I will erase this rectangle, so I'm left with my letter E. So choose the color you want. So yes, we have our letter E. The next step now is to draw the spark icon, and to achieve this, I'll use the shape tool again, but this time with the triangle shape. So I'll give it another color, scale it down, and I will reflect this with the crop tool. So next step, copy this and have a duplicate of it. Then I'll recrop this again, reflect it upside. So what we want to achieve with this again is the spark icon. So with this, I will have to merge both of it together. So resize it. You can use the relative size tool. So I'll reduce the width and the height. So I'll place the spark icon inside the letter E. I'll zoom this in and again resize it. And now I will add the stroke for me to be able to cut out this part and have some negative look with the E and the spark icon. So I've increased the weight. It doesn't look great now, so let me resize it again. And again, let me resize it one more time. So it's looking much better now. So now before I can use the erase color, I will have to merge both of these together. I will choose a transparent background so I can see it clearly. I'll reverse this back. So I'll use the erase color tool. Yeah, this is it. And I'll select the black color. Yes, as you can see, it's getting better now. So please don't forget to like and subscribe. So now I'll reverse the background to black. Now our icon is quite ready now, but since I've known that I'm going to be using yellow, so let me change the color into yellow. Okay, and I'll apply the color yellow. Yeah, this is it. And you may be wondering which color code is this. If you want to apply it, this is the color code FFC 107. So you can just type it here. But I will have to copy this because I'm going to be using it in the future. So okay. Now the next step is to type our text. So I'll change this into Edward. Okay. Then I'll change this font. Let me use this. So this is just a default font in Pixellab. So when you download the app, you have this font. I'll duplicate this. Yes, just to get the electric text. Okay. So for me to balance this a bit, let me change this one to a lighter. Okay, I'll use this, the regular one. So now I'll scale this down. And now let's balance this logo. And with a grid tool, this can be easier. So this is the size of this. So let's draw two lines with the arrow tool. Then the arrow, I'll change the style also. So let me reduce this. Yeah. And also reduce the width. Okay. And I will move this up. So let me copy this so I can have a duplicate, and I will move it to the other side. So next I will merge the lines and the text electric together. So I'll save this in order for me to re-edit it in case I need anything. So it will be easier for me to re-edit it. And one thing about Pixellab is that when you don't save something like this as a project and you are done before you save it, you can't really re-edit it, as there's not really much thing you can do. But as I have this source file like this, whenever I need it, I can just go there and open it and re-edit whatever I want there. So now I've merged this also together, and I'll just change the color also to the yellow we are using. And yes, our logo is ready now. So let me merge this together and I will hide this, and we can use this for the mockup, as that's the next step now. Next, I'll change the canvas size to something that will fit the mockup I'm using. I've already known this mockup, so I knew the size, and it's 1500 by 1000 pixels. So I will import the mockup from my phone now. And if you like to get this source file, I will link it below. Just check this description. So let me resize this, and okay, let's fix this now. So unhide this logo, and I will lock this background also, and let me bring that into front. Yes, so it's quite not okay like this. Like, I want to give it some 2D shape, and that's what I'll be doing next. So apply the shadow effect first. Yeah, so next is to apply the 3D effect with this 3D shape tool, and just play around with this a bit to have something you really like. I don't like how this is looking, so I'll change it to gradients, and I will still go for the yellow color. So yeah, let me darken this, and give this a full yellow color. So okay, so yes, flip this forward a bit. Oh, okay. Oh yes, our logo is now ready. You can see how easy it is to make your logo using your Android phone with this app called Pixellab, and just save it to your gallery, and yes, you have a logo. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below, and please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.